Hi guys, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we'll be discussing how versatile vapor blasting is. There's many applications you can use vapor blasting for. For example, this is used in many industries in the United States, including historic restoration, cleaning up greasy and oily parts in reman factories, in automotive factories and restoration, carbon fiber bonding, cleaning airplane components, motorcycle restoration, diesel performance engine building, jewelry cleaning, cutting tools, and deburring CNC machine parts. You can also use vapor blasting for DIY projects and your own home restoration. For more information, please follow us on Facebook and Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or call the sales team at 828-202-5563, extension 102, and we'll be more than happy to help.